Hello friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is Mega Mockup PSD templates. Total size is 8.1 GB and these are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now for lifetime. Here is my Facebook page, follow this, and last is my Telegram channel. Subscribe this. I will provide every link of video first here. Okay, so here is 24 pack. You can edit in latest version of Photoshop. Laptop mockup, A4 tripod, and A6 postcard airline ticket mockup. So you can adjust as a banner. Here is bundle of jam mockup. Here is cartoon hand. Okay, convert chocolate bar protect. So you can edit in Photoshop. Here is Christmas card or invitation mockup, computer with mouse and keyboard mockup. Okay, cosmetic bottles like a shampoo or sanitizer. Here is cover book mockup, dropper bottle, ice dropper. Okay, laptop mockup. Okay, laptop on wood table, back view, packing protect. So you can change anything in Photoshop. Here is paper and iPhone Pro, soda can, paper size collection, and here is scare flare mockup, table tent, tripod, travel web banner ad. Here is a banner, so you can adjust. I know you can add it in Photoshop. Download this app or password. Follow on my Facebook page. I hope this data is useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.